guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Blue Ice microphone that is connected by USB. It is probably the most recommended one for beginners, and this being my first microphone, I decided why not give it a shot. At 40 bucks on Amazon, you really can't go wrong for the price, I'm thinking. Plus I got a gift card for my birthday, so used that a little bit so it's a little easier, a little less in the pocket too. So let's get diving into this little box right here. First off, box. A lot bigger than what I expected it to be. I expected it to be about maybe half this height, to be honest with you guys. But other than that, really good packaging, very good picture on the side of what you're actually getting, a lot of details on the back, which you guys can read about right there. And then got all the little details on the side as well of how it looks up and all the components. Let's get the top up. There we go. Looks like it's all gonna be packaged. Okay, so we got first box here. What is in the first box? Open it from the side. And in the first box we have the stand. The stand, which actually looks to be very cheap plastic, to be honest, so I don't know about the quality of it, but snaps back and snaps out very easily, which gets the green light from me then on that. Next, you are going to have, it looks like the USB cable that you can hook up to your computer and the microphone with. So, yeah, it's even this clear, glossy type look, but there's all the components, the USB to go to your computer, and then it looks like the other end that would go straight into the microphone itself. I did feel something else in the box, it felt like. Oh, here we go. We got one of those do not eat packets. Those are always fun. Don't recommend eating those. Then we got the, looks like, user setup guide right here with a bunch of stuff that I'll probably not read, to be honest. Alright, let's get down to the next portion of the box, which looks like it might be the microphone itself. Okay, come on, little buddy. There we go. I'm going to pop you up. Yeah, and the last but not least is the microphone itself. And in white is a much cleaner look than I thought from the photos I was seeing online. Has a nice dense weight to it as well. It doesn't feel cheap like you're getting skimped on anything. On the side it looks like you got blue microphones with the little item number on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yeah, there we go. Got the item number and then Blue Ice microphones. Altogether it feels very good quality. It looks like you just screw the stand right onto here. Might as well try it out while I'm here. Wow, it takes a lot of cranks to get that on there. Nice and snug. Move my keyboard in a little bit. And there we go, get it standing up. Okay. At its full set out way, that is what you guys are looking at. That is at full extension on the legs, and it is actually a very good height and feels like it would actually just work very well. It's perfectly at my mouth's height already, so I don't even feel like I have to adjust it much at all. I literally feel like I can just speak into this and it will just pick up everything just very clearly, so I don't even feel like I'd have to stress or even have to go move my body to contour to its design. It feels like it's just right there and ready to go for you. But alright guys, this is the Blue Ice microphone. Go ahead and let me know what you guys think in the bottom of this microphone to make sure I actually picked up a good one for myself. I'm going to be doing Let's Plays and stuff with this, so my first Let's Play on the channel will actually be Rhyme. I'm going to be doing that indie game by Tequila Works, and if you guys really want to see that, it'll be coming up in the next couple weeks here. Thanks again for watching, guys, and have a great day.